Premiere Classe Dreux, a convenient and comfortable stay in Dreux, France. Located in the charming city of Dreux, France, Premiere Classe Dreux offers a convenient and comfortable stay for both leisure and business travelers. With its prime location and excellent amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for those seeking a hassle-free and enjoyable stay in the area. Check-in at Premiere Classe Dreux begins at 2 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and make the most of their stay. The friendly and professional staff are always ready to assist, ensuring a smooth and efficient check-in process. Whether you're arriving in the morning or late in the evening, the hotel's accommodating check-in time ensures that you'll have a seamless start to your stay. For those looking to explore the beautiful city of Dreux, Premiere Classe Dreux offers a convenient checkout time of 12 p.m. This allows guests to leisurely pack their belongings and bid farewell to the hotel without feeling rushed. Whether you have an afternoon train to catch or simply want to make the most of your last day in Dreux, the flexible checkout time ensures a stress-free departure. With 70 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Dreux provides a comfortable and relaxing environment for its guests. Each room is thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of modern travelers, featuring amenities such as comfortable beds, ensuite bathrooms, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or as a family, there's a room to suit every guest's preferences. Please note that Premiere Classe Dreux has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It's best to contact the hotel directly to inquire about the specific charges and policies regarding children. Additionally, if you're traveling with a furry friend, the hotel allows one pet per room, ensuring that even your four-legged companion can enjoy a comfortable stay. Experience the convenience and comfort of Premiere Classe Dreux during your visit to Dreux, France. With its excellent amenities, convenient check-in/out times, and welcoming atmosphere, this hotel is the perfect choice for a memorable stay in the heart of the city. Unwind and indulge in Premiere Classe Dreux's entertainment facilities. Premiere Classe Dreux goes above and beyond to ensure that guests have a memorable stay, offering a range of entertainment facilities that cater to all ages and interests. Whether you're seeking relaxation or excitement, this hotel has you covered. Step into the world of retail therapy at the nearby shops, where you can browse through a variety of stores and find the perfect souvenir to take home. Indulge in some retail therapy and discover unique treasures that will remind you of your time in Dreux.